name is Suji Park. I'm a founder and CIO, Chief Inspirational Officer for 6 companies in 3 countries. Suji's Korean Cuisine is our product company in US, which started in Lincoln. And Suji's Restaurant Group, we own restaurants in Seoul and Tokyo, and here in Nebraska, Omaha. So I started my business in Seoul, Korea, bringing American cuisine restaurants and products to Seoul, to Tokyo. And I decided to bring the cross-culturally, bringing Asian food culture to US. I was originally from Seoul, Korea, lived in New York City for about 12 years, went back to Seoul and lived in Tokyo for about 8 years, and moved to Nebraska about 4 years ago. The reason I moved to Nebraska is UNL has a great facility called Food Processing Center. That's where we developed our products, which are right now distributed through Target stores and Walmarts and Costco, Whole Foods. Those all started from Lincoln, Nebraska. Expectations of Lincoln, I had none. Again, I'm from Seoul and Tokyo and New York City. Honestly, it was my first time to Midwest and Nebraska and Lincoln. It was quite a surprise to see all the international and entrepreneurship, and most of all, the ecosystem between the government, university, and the private sectors, such as Nebraska Innovation Campus, where we were born, was a big surprise. I'm in the food industry, so I have passion and finding always good food and diversities, and also the good chefs, talented chefs. And Omaha and Lincoln have a great scene of restaurants. In fact, Omaha is the per capita the largest the restaurant scenes in United States. Also, not only restaurant scenes, but the brewery, microbrewery, Zipline started here. Also, we have the small batch coffee brewery mill in 2 locations, and those things that I wasn't expecting, but the quality-wise and also the enthusiasm of this young entrepreneurs of the food industry is very impressive here as well. Again, the reason I'm in Lincoln is that you get all support, and this is what Lincoln and Nebraska is. The future is actually the bringing and supporting entrepreneurs to become to be successful, to go to the next level. Those supports, from my experience with other cities, you can never get this much support here. So I highly recommend you to take a look, and there are a lot of references here, and people are always willing to meet with you and go over and support as the system is here. So, come visit us.